Hello and welcome to our video on investing in artificial intelligence. In this video, you will learn why investing in AI will make you rich. We will also give you the names of 3 secret companies in this field so you can turn $1,000 into $10,000 or more before anyone else. But first, here are a few things to know about how AI will make you rich. AI has been making headlines for its potential to transform industries and revolutionize the way we live and work. As an investor, it's natural to be curious about the opportunities that AI presents. In this video, we'll be exploring the AI market and discussing how you can potentially profit from investing in this technology. We'll cover key players and trends in the market, as well as factors to consider when evaluating an AI investment. We'll also discuss different ways to get involved in the AI market, from stocks of AI companies to crowdfunding for startups. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, we hope this video provides valuable insights and helps you make informed decisions about investing in AI. Overview of the current state of the AI market. The AI market is growing rapidly, with global revenues expected to reach over $190 billion by 2025. The market is dominated by a few key players, such as Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, which have invested heavily in AI research and development. However, the market also includes a wide range of smaller companies and startups that are working on innovative applications of AI in various industries. Some of the key trends in the AI market include the increasing use of machine learning and deep learning techniques, the growing importance of data, and the increasing focus on developing AI solutions for specific industries such as healthcare and finance. In addition to the technology itself, there is also a growing market for AI-related products and services, such as consulting, training, and software tools. Factors to consider when evaluating an AI investment. Technology. It's important to understand the company's technology and how it compares to the competition. Is the company's AI solution innovative or unique in some way? Does it have a strong track record of performance? Management team. The management team's experience and expertise can be a key factor in the success of an AI company. Look for a team with a strong background in AI, as well as experience in the industry in which the company operates. Market demand. Is there a clear demand for the company's products or services? Is the market for its solution growing or mature? Consider the potential for long-term growth as well as the current state of the market. Risks and challenges. As with any investment, it's important to be aware of potential risks and challenges. For AI companies, these might include the risk of technological obsolescence, competition from other companies, or regulatory hurdles. Different ways to invest in AI. Stocks of AI companies. One way to invest in AI is to buy stocks of companies that are actively developing or using AI in their products or services. This can include tech giants like Google and Microsoft, as well as smaller, up-and-coming companies. Funds that focus on AI. There are also investment funds that specialize in AI, either as a specific sector or as a broader theme within technology. These funds can offer diversification and professional management for investors interested in AI. Crowdfunding platforms for AI startups. Another option for investing in AI is to support startups that are working on innovative applications of the technology. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo allow investors to contribute to the development of new AI products and solutions. Case studies of successful AI investments. NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a company that specializes in graphics processing units, GPUs, which are widely used in machine learning and AI applications. In the past few years, the company has seen significant growth and returns as demand for its products has increased with the growth of the AI market. In addition to its strong financial performance, NVIDIA has also made strategic acquisitions to expand its AI capabilities, such as its acquisition of Deep Learning Institute and the startup DeepScale. Appen. Appen is a company that provides data and services for machine learning and AI. It has seen strong growth in recent years, thanks in part to the increasing demand for AI in various industries. The company's services include data annotation, transcription, and language translation, which are all important for training machine learning models. Appen has also made strategic acquisitions to expand its capabilities, such as its acquisition of Figure 8, a company that specializes in machine learning data. Element AI. Element AI is a startup that provides AI-powered solutions for businesses. In 2017, the company raised $102 million in a funding round, valuing the company at over $1 billion. This was one of the largest funding rounds for an AI startup at the time. Element AI partners with companies to help them integrate AI into their operations and develop new AI-powered products and services. The company has a strong team of AI experts and advisors, and has made strategic partnerships with leading organizations in the field. Investing with Trading 212. For investment, we recommend you to use Trading 212. It is a complete platform and very easy to use. We put you the link in bio. Moreover, if you go through this link, you will have the opportunity to earn a free share just by registering. Secret companies. We will now give you 3 secret companies that very few people know about, but that have a potential of X100 in the next months/years. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be aware of new investment opportunities before anyone else. That being said, let's go straight to the first company. 1. UiPath. UiPath is a company that provides software for automating repetitive tasks, such as data entry and customer service inquiries. Its products use artificial intelligence and machine learning to learn and adapt to new tasks, improving efficiency and productivity for businesses. UiPath has seen strong growth in recent years, and in 2021 it became the first publicly traded company in the robot process automation industry. 2. C3.ai. C3.ai is a company that provides software and services for AI-powered solutions in various industries, including energy, manufacturing, and healthcare. Its products use machine learning and other AI techniques to analyze data and make predictions or recommendations. C3.ai has a strong team of AI experts and advisors, and has made strategic partnerships with leading organizations in the field. 3. Sentient Technologies. Sentient Technologies is a company that uses AI to develop solutions for various industries, including e-commerce, finance, and healthcare. Its products use machine learning and other AI techniques to analyze data and make predictions or recommendations. Sentient Technologies has raised over $150 million in funding, and has made strategic partnerships with leading organizations in the field. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a technology with enormous potential and a rapidly growing market. For investors, it presents a range of opportunities, from stocks of AI companies to crowdfunding for startups. When evaluating an AI investment, it's important to consider factors such as the company's technology, management team, market demand, and potential risks and challenges. By doing thorough research and staying up to date on industry trends, investors can make informed decisions and potentially profit from the growth of AI. As the AI market continues to evolve, it will be important for investors to stay vigilant and adapt to new developments in the field. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and helped you understand the potential of AI as an investment opportunity. Thank you for watching.